What's up, Derby Nation? It's a cool, I think it's -2 degrees out today. Wind chill and -12. Supposed to derby this Sunday, but that's been canceled due to the extreme cold. So I decided I might as well build the car anyway. So this is 8 hours of building the car. This is a '03 Lincoln Town car. This is going to be my first full-size car of this caliber here. I have derbied before, but nothing quite this big. This is going to be a gut and go bone stock class. It's now going to be run on Valentine's Day. That ought to make her extremely happy. But basically, for this car, we were allowed to remove anything, add nothing, and absolutely no welding, no modifications. We were allowed to go with any tire or rim that we want. Other than that, yeah, pretty much smash out the windows, relocate the gas tank and the battery, and away we'll go. I'm real curious to see how this car does. Overall, it seems pretty clean. I'll let you more experienced guys be the wise of wisdom here and let me know what you think. But there's no really major rust. Let me zoom in here. There's the battery over there. Floorboards, all real clean. Surface rust on brackets, but that's a bracket. The seat, where the seat mounts in, the steel plates, they got a little surface rust. In the back here, I got the boat tank set up. Running an inline fuel pump there. Not much. A little minor surface rust there. A little bit more over there. But overall, I think it's pretty clean. Like I said, this is bone stock, gut and go. There's absolutely no modifications, zero welding. Really not sure what else I could even try and do to it. We are allowed to notch the frame, so I will be doing that. I have not done that yet. And 9-wire it shut. Where the holes are here, this will be 9-wire. My plan was to run probably one here and one over here. And then these 2 spots here. Other than that, I've duct taped. Duct tape always works best for me. I haven't run one of these Lincolns or Crown Vic AKAs, I guess you'd say. But we'll see. It is the 4.6 stock motor. It does run real good. First time I've ever seen a returnless fuel injection setup. As you can tell, I'm not a big Ford guy, so got a little access hole there, fire, breathing hole, and under here. So, engine compartment. I tried my best to get as much away from this radiator mount here that, because it is plastic, I don't want nothing breaking it, or try not to break it here. I'm going to move that power steering pump. I got a piece of hose, and then I think I'm gonna put it up over in here somewhere. Not sure. I simplified the wiring harness as best I could. When I started here, it ran through the firewall, or not. It came out of the firewall and it ran down this fender in behind that inner skin there, and it came out down here. Well, I got that out of there. The wires hook up to the brake control. I got the map sensor plugged in. Everything else has been taped up, zip tied up. I'm running it up over this way. Just kind of looped it the best I could, get it away from anything. I guess you guys really that know about these cars are going to want to see this. That's what I'm working with. Oops, sorry about the finger there. I'm not too keen on this aluminum setup here. We'll see. Seems like 50-50. Some say it works good. Some say it's junk. We'll see. Frame seems pretty heavy duty all the way through. I eliminated both the air catch boxes here. I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference or help me, hurt me. I don't know. Somebody can let me know maybe. I think I'm just going to leave that coolant box right there. Takes a hit, it takes a hit. I got the fuse box taped up right there. The rest of the harness going through the hole there for the blower motor. Like I said, first time on this kind of a car here, so I'm glad it was a gut and go. I'm learning. I would get my ass handed to me, I think. If not, but learn from your mistakes. So yeah, I guess here she is. This will be the second Derby of 2021. And I can't wait. Just a bummer it always gets postponed. The first one got postponed because of a snowstorm, and then this one gets postponed because of extreme cold. But yeah, I got the battery down here. Let me show you that setup here. I got mats to put over it. But she just braced into the floor. Fuel line run back. Right here, the inline pump to the old boat tank. We are allowed one safety bar, so there is gonna be a bar from the post over there behind the seats here. I'll tie it into the post here. And like I said, I'll notch the frame. But I'm definitely curious for your opinions. What I've done wrong, what I've done right. I mean, there's not much you can do or say, I guess, on a gut and go, but just wish for the best. But I don't know, I might have missed something. Let's see if I can get the trunk popped here and show you that. My fancy opener here for right now. And here she be in all she glory. A little rustier back here, not bad, but it's got some rust. It is an 03. Being the Midwest rust belt we live in here. Especially with the weather we're having today, they're probably putting down 50 million tons of salt. Eat vehicles like it's the Cookie Monster. But yeah, I did want to see, this one has the springs in there, and I was thinking about 9-wiring those so I could have a chance of them not popping out. Just not sure. Like I said, not allowed to weld, so. Alright, Derby Nation. Yes, I'll keep you updated. Next Sunday, the big day, February 14th. Not the big Super Bowl day. The big gonna be in trouble day. I'll run it. And I'll post a video of the aftermath, and we'll see how she does. But in the meantime, keep checking back. I'm gonna do a lot of derbies this year, and I will continue to post videos, and let's derby and learn together. Kick ass, take names. Peace.